In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Jira Automation. An introduction. Jira is a powerful project management tool, and automation can significantly enhance your workflow, saving you time and minimizing repetitive tasks. Let's dive right in. The first step in creating an automation rule in Jira is to navigate to your specific Jira project. This is crucial because automation rules are often specific to a given project, enabling you to tailor them to your unique needs more effectively. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right project to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've confirmed you're in the correct project, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a lightning icon. This icon is your gateway to the world of Jira Automation. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a menu, and from this menu, you'll want to select the option to Create Automation. By clicking on Create Automation, you'll be transported to the Automation Creation tool, which is the heart of setting up automations in Jira. Here, you'll have the flexibility to create a variety of automation rules according to your specific workflow requirements. But before you can proceed, you need to start with a trigger. Triggers are the events that set your automation in motion. Think of them as the starting point for your rule. Choose a trigger that aligns with the process you want to automate, whether it be an issue creation, a field change, or any other event that fits your needs. After you set up the trigger, it's time to add a component. Components are the building blocks of your automation rule, and they can be categorized into actions, conditions, and branches. An action tells Jira what to do when a rule is triggered. A condition can refine the circumstances under which an action is executed, and a branch can help you control the flow of your automation, enabling more complex logic. Depending on what process you wish to streamline, select the necessary components to shape your automation rule. Once you've diligently crafted your automation by choosing the right triggers and components, it's time to activate your rule. Simply click the Turn on Rule button to deploy your newly created automation. This final step sets your rule into action, ready to work miracles in automating your Jira processes. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully created an automation rule in Jira. This newfound capability will help you streamline your project management tasks, reduce manual intervention, and enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching this introduction to Jira Automation. I hope you found it insightful and that you enjoy exploring the endless possibilities that Jira Automation has to offer.